Hey, how's it going? This is Joe and Tel, and this is going to be a quick, informal unboxing of the OSD Audio Nero 5 bookshelf speakers, as well as the OSD Black Trevoce 12 subwoofer. Before we get into it, here's a message from our show sponsor.
OSD Black is a high-performance line of upgraded speaker and electronics products, SVS, providing thrilling and immersive high-end sound with unmatched performance for the price. Have you ever wanted to attend a HiFi trade show but couldn't? Now you can. On June 26th to 30th, the HiFi Summit begins. It's going to be a 5-day event available to people worldwide. There you can see your favorite brands and you'll get to see all the new products before anybody else. If you're shopping for products, you can even narrow down your search based on price and other specific criteria. You'll be able to chat live with other audio enthusiasts, ask questions about products and get them answered directly by the companies. You'll be able to vote for best in show. You can even leave testimonials for your favorite brands. Tickets are $49 for all 5 days, but if you sign up before June, you'll be able to get them at the early bird special of $24 for all 5 days. Those with tickets will be able to see show specials, exclusive discounts, as well as entering contest giveaways for some ridiculously awesome prizes, like entire systems. Crazy prizes. If you can't buy a ticket, we completely understand. We're going to be live streaming all the seminars for free to the general public. Also, after the show's over, we're going to open up the site for everyone to see. But no trade show's complete without an after party. So we're going to have DJ Chana De Silva, aka Techno Dad, spinning every single night. So you'll be able to sit back at home, enjoy the music, bump it on your system, dance, do whatever you want to do. He's even planning on doing an audiophile night where he's going to play his favorite audiophile test tracks. You can play them on your system and he'll tell you what he's looking for every step of the way. It's going to be awesome. Go to the HiFiSummit.com, buy your ticket, and let your hi-fi journey to the top begin.
Alright, so as you can tell, you might hear my kids in the background. This is going to be an informal unboxing. They sent this in for me to review, so I'm going to go ahead and just unbox this and see what it's all about. Let me go ahead and cover these labels because I don't want you guys seeing my address. Go ahead and cut this open. Where am I cutting? Right here. Alright, so let's see what we have in here. Alright. There's a lot of stuff in here. Put that aside. I think this is going to be for the giveaways for the HiFi Summit. Yeah, it seems like a lot of stuff in here. So, oh wow, more stuff. So those were the Nero streamers. Right here we have the Aram Ultra Audio video cables. Okay. All right. So this looks like a subwoofer cable. All right. What is this here? Oh, Aram Ultra Audio video cables. What's in here? Speaker cables. All right. Man, those look nice. Very cool. All right. All right. Put these aside for a second. Let me actually put this box aside too. All right. We're making a mess over here, but it's okay. All right. Here we go. All right, so the Nero Studio 5s is what they're called. There they are. And then we have some little rubber feet with some adhesive on there. Let's take a look at this here. Okay, so, all right, they have a little bit of weight to them. Let me bring out just one of them for now. I'm assuming these are both going to be the same. Whoa, a speaker. My daughter's showing me speakers right now on Amazon that she wants, I guess. You want those speakers? How much were those? Oh, the triangle speakers, all right. All right, so... what is this on here? Seems to be a little bit of lint on here. That's fine. Or dust or something. Alright, so here's the speaker. As far as the finish on here, You know, it has a vinyl with faux wood, and it does have some texture to it. It has rounded edges, which is cool. Rear port, and a 5-way binding post in the back. So these are not magnetic grills. What is this on here? This is a real unboxing, and so what can you do? Here is the front of the speaker. It's a 5-inch, 5 1/4, and a 1-inch soft dome tweeter. This feels like some kind of polypropylene maybe, with a rubber surround, and it has kind of like a small little type of waveguide here. So these are about 150 bucks on Amazon right now. So we'll see, because that's not very expensive, but there's a lot of stuff competing in this price range. And okay. The thing I thought was curious is that these are rated from 90 hertz, 20 kilohertz on Amazon. And that's pretty high. I mean, 90 hertz is not very low. I would want a speaker to at least go to 80 hertz so you can cross it over with a sub. But yeah, I mean, preferably 40 hertz, you know? Something this size, I would expect to go at least 50, 60 hertz, you know, but 90, man, maybe they're being very conservative. I'm gonna have to check these out, do some measurements, and see what's actually going on with these. All right, so it says here the specs are 5.25-inch woofer, paper cone, 1-inch silk dome tweeter, 40-watt peak handling. That's very low. 40 watts peak. That's 20 watts RMS. That's very low. Frequency response 90 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Sensitivity 87 decibels. Impedance 4 ohms. I'm gonna have to see if these specs are right. I mean, they just don't sound right. I've seen other speakers in this price range with the same size that, yeah, have way different specs than these. I would expect that it could do maybe 40 watts RMS, but 40 watts peak? Let's take a look at the OSD Black Sub though. Here's this OSD Black Trevoce 12. Oh, a box within another box. Yay. Aha. I'm gonna have to put this down on the floor here. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Power cable. Instructions. Let me turn this thing over. And success, a subwoofer. Take these off. Whoa, it's wrapped in leather. Leather wrapped, huh? Interesting. Alright, there's a plate amp right there. Alright, so it says 800 watts dynamic power, Trevoce 12, OSD Black. What do we have here? We have the high level inputs, which are handy if you don't have an amplifier with a sub out. LFE input, low level inputs also. Okay, I get it. Volume control, the crossover from 40 hertz to 200, phase switch, and then the switch from off, auto, and on. Alright, so this is very interesting. On the sides, you'll see it looks like a carbon fiber passive radiator with a huge surround on there. Nice. And on the other side as well. So there's the two, one on each side, and then on the front there's this grill here, and when you take off this grill, it's not magnetic, has little pegs in there. Then you see the actual 12-inch sub. It looks like treated paper. So there's the sub there, and then two passive radiators on the side. Very interesting. So OSD claims a frequency response on this from 20 hertz down to 20 hertz, and so I'm gonna have to test to see if that's true. If it is, then this should be a good sub. We'll see. While I'm here, I might as well take a look at these cables here. Nice looking box. Okay. Has that little suction effect, so that's cool. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Look at these. These are thick. with 2 C's. What's funny over there? Look at this. So cool. Look at those connectors there. Wow. All right. What is this now? Yeah, so very nice looking cables. I like it. I like it. Fancy looking cables. I'm into it. I also noticed here that they also include some banana connectors if you want to go that route instead of the spades. So there you go. They also sent these cables, which I think is the subwoofer cable. Let's see how this looks here. It's like Christmas over here. Come on out. There, very similar to the other cable. They sure look nice, I'll tell you that. Wow. Good job, OSD. You might be the new cable company in town. Very nice. And the last box that we have here is the Nero Stream HiFi DAC power amplifier. Alright. What's in here? Ooh, a remote, power cable, and wow, this is a cool looking amplifier. Nero Stream. Wow, headphone output. Let me get it out of here so you can see it. So what do we have? WPS for wireless, easy to connect to your wireless. Router if it has WPS. Antennas, line input, sub out, awesome. USB in, optical in. Wow, USB in. So I guess it works as a DAC too. Optical, and then your speaker outputs, and then your power cable goes there. Here's the front. Bluetooth. Oh, it has Bluetooth also. Optical, USB, Wi-Fi. This is pretty cool. And the volume knob. Very cool. And if it comes with a remote too, this might be a little sleeper device that I didn't know about. Very cool. So that's it. A bunch of stuff from OSD and OSD Black. They are a gold sponsor at the HiFi Summit. So I'm going to have to check this out, see how all this works. So anyway, that's it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. That's it. Take care. Bye.